So I came across this project called Epsilon, and it's a pure Go WebAssembly runtime. Zero dependencies, can you believe that?
Zero dependencies. That's impressive. But what does that really mean for developers using Go?
Well, it means you can run WebAssembly modules without needing CGO, which can be a hassle. It's more streamlined.
For sure, but I wonder how it handles compatibility across different architectures. Like, does it really work on all of them?
Great point, it claims to support any architecture Go runs on, including AMD 64 and ARM 64. That's quite ambitious.
Ambitious indeed. But isn't there a risk of performance issues since it's not depending on native C libraries?
That's a valid concern. I mean, PureGo might have some overhead compared to optimized C implementations.
Exactly. And even if it supports WebAssembly too, how robust is its error handling? That's key for debugging.
Oh, it includes an interactive REPL. That's a game changer for testing and debugging. You can try out modules live.
Wait, really? That's super helpful. But how does the REPL command system work? Any complexity there?
It has commands like load to load modules and invoke to call functions. Pretty straightforward, but still any learning curve.
I bet there is. And what about integrating custom Go functions? Is it user-friendly?
Yes, they use an import builder for that. You can add Go functions seamlessly, which is quite neat.
That's cool, though I wonder if that might limit the types of functions you can add compared to other runtimes.
True, it's a trade-off, but it might make it easier to manage dependencies at the same time.
Right? It's about finding that balance. And speaking of balance, how does it perform on benchmarks?
It offers built-in benchmarking tests. You can run them with just a command. I think that's super handy.
Convenient, but that still doesn't guarantee real-world performance. Do we have any user reports?
Not yet on the site, but it's open source, so users can contribute and share their experiences.
Community input will be vital. That said, how easy is it to start using Epsilon?
Installation is a breeze, just a simple go get command is all it takes, very accessible.
That's great for getting started, but how about documentation? Is it comprehensive enough?
It looks pretty solid. They provide a clear quick start guide and examples for users.
Good, but isn't there always a risk of documentation lagging behind code updates in open source?
Absolutely, that's a common issue. Developers should check for the latest commits too.
I guess that keeps everyone on their toes. By the way, is there a focus on security in this project?
Yes, but they mention it's not officially supported by Google, so that raises some flags for security.
Right, that might deter some businesses from adopting it for sensitive applications.
Agreed, companies often want that backing for peace of mind. Still, it's fascinating to see innovation.
Definitely. And it's exciting to think about the potential of WebAssembly in Go applications.
Totally, it could open doors for new types of web apps that are more efficient.
But let's not forget the challenges too. The ecosystem is still evolving.
Good point, there's a lot to consider, so is it worth trying Epsilon for hobby projects?
For sure, it seems like a great experiment for developers to play around with.
And who knows, it might lead to some breakthroughs in how we think about web execution.
Exactly. I can't wait to see what the community does with it. The possibilities are endless.
For sure, but I'll be keeping an eye on any emerging critiques as well.
Absolutely. It's all part of the journey, right? Constantly learning and adapting.
Exactly, so what do you think might be the next big trend in WebAssembly?
I suspect more integration with existing frameworks. That could be a game changer.
Oh, definitely. Imagine combining WebAssembly with popular JS frameworks for enhanced performance.
That would be epic. Developers would have so many more tools at their disposal.
Exactly, so let's keep our eyes peeled for more developments in this space.
Absolutely. This is just the beginning of an exciting journey with WebAssembly.
Couldn't agree more, here's to countless possibilities ahead.